Hey gamers, the Nintendo Switch 2 is officially dropping in 2025, and it's about to change everything. 4K visuals, magnetic Joy-Cons, and a bigger, badder display. Stick around to find out why this console is the one to watch. Nintendo just confirmed the Switch 2 is coming next year, and the hype is real. Leaks and rumors are flooding in, so let's break down the juiciest details about this next-gen console. First up, 4K docked output. Imagine Zelda or Mario Kart in stunning ultra-high definition. The Switch 2 is rumored to pack a serious graphical punch, making your docked gaming sessions look absolutely gorgeous. Say hello to magnetic Joy-Cons. These bad boys are set to attach with magnets for a smoother, more secure fit. Plus, they might come with upgraded features like better haptics or even new buttons for next-level gameplay. Here's the best part: backward compatibility. Your entire Switch game library, playable on the Switch 2. Physical cartridges, digital downloads, all good. Nintendo's making sure you don't have to leave your favorites behind. Leaks are pointing to a larger display, possibly 8 inches for that immersive handheld vibe. In performance, think faster load times, smoother frame rates, and maybe even some ray tracing magic. This thing's a beast. The Switch 2 is set to bridge the gap between portable and home consoles like never before. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore fan, this is Nintendo leveling up in a major way. Now let's get wild. What else could Nintendo be cooking? A new Mario title at launch? VR support? Okay, maybe I'm dreaming, but drop your predictions in the comments below. If you're as hyped as I am, smash that like button and subscribe for all the latest Switch 2 updates.